Number 7, The Rock. And Racing Andorra draws for your lead Doomstead. Moving up is Spellbinder, running by the rail Bonjour, followed by Classy Pages, Queen's King, Valentine Rose, Star of Manel, then followed by entry number 7, Live in Manila, and Double O is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 800, we have Spellbinder takes the lead over Andorra in second. Running by the rail Bonjour, Star of Anel now running in fourth. Then followed by Live in Manila. Heading towards the last 600 is Spellbinder Andorra. Throwing a challenge on the outside is Star of Manel now grabbing the third spot. Live in Manila also arriving to the race to as they turn from is Spellbinder leading the field. Andorra is on the outside. With the last 150 more to run is Spellbinder by about 2 lengths. Andorra moving up on the outside. Queen's King and Live in Manila. And leading the finish line, it's going to be Spellbinder. Queen's King, Andorra, Live in Manila, and Star of Manel for your Pentapecta.